Hey guys, Technically Jeff here, and I have another giveaway for you. I am going to be giving away a 4K front dash cam from FITCAMX. This is the integrated dash cam that I reviewed recently in my Kia EV6, and it's by far the best one that I've tested so far. The app works really well, the video quality is good, but my favorite part is the fact that it is fully integrated into the vehicle. It gets power from the rearview mirror, and it replaces the shroud around the mirror, and it essentially looks like it's an OEM part, like it came from the factory that way. So I'm really excited to have it, and I'm excited to be able to give this away for you guys. I got them to provide it for any of the models that they have available. So it doesn't have to be for the Kia EV6. They have it for the Hyundai Ioniq 5. They have it for various Toyotas, Teslas, the Volkswagen ID4, Ford, like F-150s, Mustangs, Mustang Mach-E, lots of vehicles. So check their site, FITCAMX.com. If they have it for your vehicle, feel free to enter. And I did confirm with them too, if you have actually already purchased one, or you purchased one before the end of the contest and you happen to win, they'll just go ahead and refund you. So I'm really excited to be able to offer this for you guys. I think this is a great dash cam to have in your vehicle. I'm going to run the contest similar to how I've done previous contests. So you'll go to technicallyjeff.com/giveaways and put in your name and email address so I can get in touch with you. And then at the very bottom, make sure you submit your entry. And there's also ways to get additional entries by viewing my Facebook page, Instagram, and my YouTube channel. You don't have to follow me on those services, but I would really appreciate it if you do. The more that the channel grows, the more I can do giveaways like this for you guys. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm going to post the link to the review for the FITCAMX for my Kia EV6 in the channel for you guys. So check that out. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know. But good luck, everybody, and I'm excited to give this away. I'm going to give it away on May 1st. I'm going to announce the winner live on YouTube. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys soon.